Hello everyone. What you're about to hear in this video is backed by expert mechanics working here in the shop with me, so relax. We're going to fix it. If your Ford shows the message, suspension fault, service required, the first thing you might think is, oh no, the entire suspension is broken. But calm down, because most of the time the car is just detecting something unusual in the system and wants to alert you before there's a serious problem. It doesn't always mean the shocks or springs are damaged. Often the electronic suspension system is just confused. Many mechanics have seen this message appear intermittently and disappear after turning the car off and on again. It's like the car enters a protection mode and limits some functions while it thinks something is wrong, even though everything is physically fine. On models with MagneRide suspension, several mechanics say this fault can be related to the Vehicle Dynamics module software. Updating the software with the official tool often removes the message permanently, something many owners have confirmed after visiting the dealership. Other mechanics have found that suspension height sensors or loose, dirty connectors can also trigger the alert. Even without mechanical issues, an erratic signal from a sensor can make the system think there's a problem, so inspecting and cleaning these sensors often resolves many false positives. Some note that environmental conditions, like very cold days or after software updates, can cause the message to appear temporarily. Turning the car off and on sometimes resets the system and makes the alert disappear, but if it keeps coming back, further investigation is needed.